do that again. Oh yeah! Welcome here everyone with Sawyer and the Funky Bunch. And today we're going to be making some queso! Oh yeah! Honk honk! Woo! So this is a kid-friendly one, and say better pay attention because it's kid-friendly. And everyone loves kid-friendly one. Let's peel this onion. I want to. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese! Mix power. Okay, we're ready for everyone to help me. So we're gonna put this nice little meat here, so what we call deconstruction meatballs, onto this pan. So we're gonna do this. Ooh! You hear that breeze, everyone? You hear it? Now let's mix this baby up. So usually spicy sauce is used here, but we're going to use ground beef. Don't get that up at my gouda jokes. We're soon gonna put all the ingredients into this meat and it's brown, so stop making annoying noise. You see this almost pan? Later we're going to put it in our paintballs smoker. Smoked queso is so in right now. It's so trendy. Just go to Co-op and get some. We got all these ingredients from Co-op, and we got this kind of cheese. That's my favorite, my dad's favorite. And you should go to Co-op and get some. I want to unwrap it to show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys right now what it looks like when you open it. So hard. Just kidding, it's lightweight. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So that, and when you try to pull this is the wax. Right at the sides here. See it? Okay, I just pulled some of it off. Look at that, that's wax. You might see some wax in your ears, but that's the wrong kind of wax. Okay, so now I'm going to be pouring all the ingredients into this pan, and first I'm going to do some of this meat, which we call
deconstructed meatballs.
Yep. Thanks, Dad. Now let's do this. It's so heavy, everyone. I'm going to give my dad help. Okay, I was holding it wrong, everyone. Holding it wrong. Woohoo! We got red onions and this kind of cheese, which I always told you guys about. So I'm gonna pour that onto this meat. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. It's gonna be so good, so good, so good, so good. He can do that. You should ask a parent for this part to do this. Open your hands. I'm going to do 3 of them. I hope the 2 other ones are easier. Ooh. So much fun. Not really as much fun, but fun. You get the idea. Fire roasted crushed tomatoes, and we're gonna put this baby on this and have a few more cans left. Just kidding, it's lightweight again. Ugh, so slimy. So slimy. Let's just have this. I'm gonna use this professional spoon, wooden spoon, and I'm gonna put it around. The onions are making me cry. Cream of mushroom soup is mixed. Now I did it again. I opened it again, and I'm a big girl now. Seriously, I'm a big girl now. I used to be a little kid, but now I'm a big kid. I can do all the cooking stuff myself. Oh my god, I never do this. He'll still be in them, but you get the idea. Okay, so this is a really special sauce. Rotel. Really important. It's a secret ingredient in a recipe. It's the mild version because us kids don't like spice. Not oh. Cumin, paprika, Italian seasoning. Cumin, paprika, Italian seasoning. Cumin, Italian seasoning. Okay, so here's these stuff in the bowl. Cumin, paprika, and my dad's gonna tell me the rest.
Italian seasoning.
Italian seasoning. He told me a bunch of times I forgot already. Sheesh. I should get in school soon. Okay, now my favorite ingredients. Cocoa and co-op pepper. Oh! You should go co-op and get some. Oh! How good is this stuff anyways? A lot. I'm gonna put some velveta around this evenly. Our paper pot smoker is gonna melt this cheese. So don't worry about spreading it around or melting it evenly before that because our barbecue is going to melt it. And if you have it too melted, then the recipe has gone wrong. I'm gonna save some cheese for Jersey when she wakes up. My baby sister. You might know her. She's always in the front of our videos. This is the piece I'm leaving for her. Acid. So we're gonna squeeze some lime juice to get that acid in it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one. Squeeze. This is so hard. I wish we had a lemon squeezer. Action. So now we're gonna add our avocado. We're gonna preheat our pipas to 350. What's it called again?
Avocado?
I'm a avocado. Avocado, you know you like it. Avocado. I'm an avocado. You know you like the avocado flavor. So juicy. I'm an avocado. This goes on the pasta grill for as much minutes as you want.
40 to 45.
40 to 45
Minutes or seconds?
seconds.
Minutes?
Minutes.
Hours?
Hours. Whatever.
Days?
Days.
Maybe months?
Maybe months.
Could be years.
Could be years.
Which is it, Sawyer?
It is minutes. So we top this thing with some sour cream and some of our amazing specialty sauce that we would like to share with you, and some sour cream and cilantro. Can't forget, right? It's the can't forget selection. Voila! Oh my! What's this food called? Salami. I love you in queso if you didn't know. Don't eat with your mouth open. I'm gonna dip some more dips. Hot. Could someone pass me a towel? Don't eat too much cheese dip. You might end up with a bad queso diarrhea. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you subscribe down below for more family videos. Bye! This thing is so good. I'm just gonna keep putting my fingers in it. Cheese is so good. Hey y'all, give me some more of that.